Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A beautiful cream saree with pink combination. Very elegant prints. The prints are done using 3 different colors: mustard yellow, green and pink. Very different block it is. A beautiful floral pattern. And we have a pink pallu. The pallu have block prints as well as zari lines. And we have a blouse piece that is plain pink here. Contrast combination, beautiful saree. With one side we have a printed design in the blouse piece which you can use for the sleeves or a pattern work of the saree blouse. And we have beautiful design. Comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful cream based saree with multicolored prints. We have maple leaf design printed in multiple colors. Almost all colors are used very elegantly. With 2 different color borders. The top border is a light copper sulphate blue and the lower border here is maroon. And we also have a royal blue color borders in both sides of the saree. We also have a multicolored beautiful pallu. You can see all colors are very elegantly given in the pallu with a maroon color blouse piece, contrast blouse piece. Beautiful saree, a really colorful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful rust color saree. Full saree is in orange rust color base with beautiful prints in black. We also have 2 different floral pattern borders and a zari border in the saree in the red base. And we have both orange and red in the pallu with zari lines and a contrast red color blouse piece. The combination is very different, unique color combo, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful chocolate brown color saree with all over printed design. Very elegant ajrak type printing on. We have a contrast pallu, border and blouse piece. A yellow color, turmeric yellow is given for the border, pallu and blouse piece here. Very contrast, beautiful design, and we have same color, pallu color blouse piece. Beautiful saree, very different collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful saree with very colorful design. The center part is red, the top and bottom we have blue borders, and next to that yellow border also with blue base floral design. We also have a blue borders with the contrast prints, very different temple border and a multiple design in the saree. And we have same red and blue used for the pallu also. It's a multicolored pallu with zari lines, and we have a blue blouse piece. Very contrast and very colorful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful saree with blue and pink combination. The saree is pink with top and border. We have blue base with beautiful pink color prints. The light blue color is given for the borders here. And all 3 colors which is we saw in the pallu, given in the pallu with zari lines vertically. And we have a blue blouse piece, light blue color blouse piece. Very contrast and beautiful saree. Excellent design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful black saree with top and bottom we have the blue given in the borders. So copper sulphate blue color, and we also have a floral part printed in the lower half of the saree that is in green. Only in the lower half we have the prints. The top half is completely plain black, and the contrast pallu is given in blue. And we have a very different printed blouse piece concept in this particular saree. Beautiful blouse piece, black and white. White is used printing. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful maroon color saree, beautiful shade with the both sides we have royal blue borders, and we also have a cream base in the bottom with floral prints. A very contrast deep royal blue color pallu with zari lines, and we have the running color body color blouse piece. The blouse piece also have both sides beautiful royal blue color borders. An elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful multicolored pallu. 3 different colors in the pallu: light blue, dark blue, and pink in the pallu with zari lines, and we have the light blue, the sky blue color in the blouse piece. With one side pink borders. The saree here is in yellow combination with top and bottom. We have temple borders using grey on the cream base, and we also have blue in both side borders. We also have a beautiful blue design which is in the royal blue shade. Excellent saree, multiple colors, a very colorful one with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a multi-colored pallu, multiple colors, as well as a contrast blouse piece. It's a yellow, golden yellow color blouse piece with one side maroon borders. The saree is very different one here. You have a beautiful multi-colored combination vertically given. See all over the saree, it's a vertically multi-colored pattern with zari borders, and the borders also have multiple colors with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very different pastel brown color saree. The top and bottom alone we have prints, which is the horizontal printed design. The complete saree is in the same pattern with the pallu also in cream and half white base color with brown prints. Here we have very elegant dancing dolls, which is also in the cream base on brown, and we have the same running color for the blouse piece. Very different saree in a very pastel combination color, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful color, a pastel green saree, grey and green mixed color with the prints in burgundy chocolate brown color. The prints are done all over in the lower half of the saree alone with the borders in the same color, and the pallu of the saree is also in the burgundy chocolate brown with same color blouse piece. Beautiful saree, a very different and rich color with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful cream saree with pink used for printing, and we also have a very beautiful part in it, written part, Bengali writing design, top and bottom on the black base, done writing using cream color, and we also have the burgundy color in both side borders. The pallu of the saree also have the same printed design, and we also have zari lines. The blouse part here is an exclusive part, completely in black base with fully writing design and also temple border. A different saree, very exclusive design, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful multicolored pallu here with zari lines, and we have a beautiful deep royal blue color, almost a Prussian blue color blouse piece, completely contrast one. The saree here is in a sky blue shade, almost copper sulphate and sky blue mixed color in the middle. Top and bottom we have beautiful dull finish half white color with prints all over. The royal blue, the deep Prussian blue is given for the blouse, the border design. Excellent saree, fully printed one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A beautiful pink saree, it's a very different and beautiful pink, light peach mixed pink color with blue prints. Ananda blue is used for the prints, mango design, and we also have the borders in same Ananda blue along with zari borders. And here we have a contrast pallu in same Ananda blue. It's a bright Ananda blue with same color blouse piece. Combination is beautiful. Excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa silk. Here we have a beautiful purple saree. Middle portion of the saree is purple, and top and bottom we have beautiful green with multiple designs. Very elegant geometric pattern and temple design in orange. Beautiful saree with olive green color borders. The complete saree is having beautiful work, and we have a pallu that is in green with prints in purple and white, and we have a very contrast blue blouse piece. Very beautiful, completely contrast saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A beautiful saree here with a dual color pallu, so light blue and dark blue in the pallu, deep royal blue and light sky blue colors given in the pallu, and we have contrast sky blue color blouse piece. The saree here is having again a beautiful tricolor concept. The middle portion is light parrot green, and the top and bottom we have cream base with big temple borders done using top in the light blue and the bottom in the royal blue. Excellent concept saree, very beautiful one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printer. A very beautiful yellow saree. The mid portion is completely turmeric yellow, bright shade. With top and bottom we have next portion that is in half white color with black prints. Prints are looking really like a hand paint, very elegant one. And we have beautiful maroon portion. Next to that we have antique finish zari on the top of black color, which is very pretty. Beautiful saree, very different collection. With multicolored pallu, all the colors described in saree is given in the pallu also with yellow color blouse piece. Beautiful one, very different collection with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A very beautiful blue saree here with top a very elegant cream base with pink prints. The very beautiful mango pattern it is. Excellent design. With same color pallu and blouse piece, running color. The pallu have zari lines as well as the same prints, and the blouse piece here is in same blue. Elegant saree, very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light radiant green shade color saree and same color pallu with zari lines and beautiful block print design done using the blue shade in the pallu. And we have light green, it's almost an apple green shade with one side a beautiful deep brown color borders, some maroon and brown mixed border. On it the antique zari is used here for the zari border. The complete saree is in apple green with maroon prints, very different prints it is. And we also have the blue given in the both side borders. In the lower part of the saree, this is a half saree model kind. The lower part have different type of printing in the same color, but all over it's being printed. Blue is used more in the lower part. Excellent saree, very different designing with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders and on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful rustic orange color saree with top and bottom a beautiful green base, cream base with green and rust color used for the prints. It's a mango design printing. The borders of the saree is in beautiful blue base. Excellent concept, and the combination of the saree is also pretty. Same blue and rust color for the pallu with zari lines. Vertically it's being done. And we have a beautiful contrast blouse piece. The blouse piece is blue here. Border color. Very different combo and very enriching one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A red saree here, most maroon red here with deep blue color prints, a peacock pattern and a very elegant mango design printed in the borders. And we have two colors, blue base as well as a yellow base in the border, and the same blue and yellow is given in the blouse pallu also. Multicolored pallu with zari lines vertically, and we have a contrast blue color blouse piece. It's a light blue shade, beautiful and contrast to the saree color, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A very beautiful Ananda blue, dark shade Ananda blue color saree with deep violet color prints, floral pattern, and we have a tri-layer border with the prints in the lower half, the yellow, red and light blue color. The same three colors are given in the pallu also vertically with zari lines, and we have same color body color blouse piece. Different saree, very different design, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, a very elegant light pastel green color saree, a very different shade of green with dark black color prints, and we also have temple design border in both sides of the saree on cream base in black, dark blue, not black, and we have the same colors, the blue as well as green, multicolored concept in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a contrast red blouse piece, a pastel red it is. Different saree, very different combinations, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful turmeric yellow color saree with maroon prints, beautiful floral pattern prints in the body with border design printed in the horizontal way in both side borders. We have deep royal blue color for the zari base, and next to that blue as well as red prints. Very different saree, colors are very different. beautiful ones too. With the same colors, the shades of blue are used in the pallu with zari lines, and we have contrast blouse piece which is in royal blue shade. Excellent saree with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A very beautiful Ananda blue color saree with deep blue prints. We also have red in the base, floral design printing in the border. Horizontally it's been done with, along with the zari border base. We have a beautiful red and blue in the pallu. Pallu has vertically zari lines also with the contrast royal blue color blouse piece. Different saree, very different color, the shades of blue, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A very beautiful red saree here with deeper red shade used for the printing, almost a tomato red color. With top and bottom we have horizontal design printing as well as blue borders, and we have the same blue, pink are used in the pallu horizontally. The vertical zari lines, vertically the colors are also given with the contrast blouse piece in blue. Very different saree, beautiful design, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A very beautiful olive green color saree with maple leaf design prints. The prints are done using half white color, and we also have a copper sulphate blue borders in both sides. It's a zari border base, and we also have the blouse piece and pallu which is contrast. Pallu have printed design as well as the zari lines vertically on blue base, and the blouse piece here is blue with one side the printed border given, which you can use for sleeves or any pattern work. Very beautiful saree. Combination of blue and green is very beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders and on a premium acid wash boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a cream based saree with all over pink design. Printed pink is used. Very beautiful color and very different design printed all over the saree with zari borders in blue base, completely contrast border. Pallu blouse piece is also in the blue, which is very contrast. Blouse is having zari lines and the pallu is having zari lines and blouse is blue. Different saree, very different combination with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful rust color saree, little brown and rust mixed shade. With top and bottom we have a temple border in black. The bottom border is a little bigger one with prints, and it is done using cream base. The saree border color is a bluish grey color. The same bluish grey is the pallu here with vertical zari lines and zigzag lines pattern printed in cream, and we have same color blouse piece with one side printed border. Very elegant combination, different and most wanted design, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders, it's an acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a multi-colored saree. Vertically we have multiple colors, most all colors, and very elegantly it's been done with cream prints. All over the saree we have a beautiful floral design creeper pattern printed with royal blue color borders. The same royal blue here is given for the pallu also, bright color with zari lines, and we have same blue blouse piece. Multi-color, beautiful and attractive saree. Very different one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree, almost a maroon shade red with beautiful prints. Black is used for the printing, and we have horizontal design border prints in both royal blue and green, and we have a border which is on the base of light copper sulphate blue. Beautiful combination saree all over, very elegant design with multicolored pallu. All the colors are used in the pallu also vertically with zari lines, and we have a contrast copper sulphate blue color blouse piece. Beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep magenta pink color saree. The top and bottom a geometrical print version, and it is done on a dull finish half white color. Multiple colors are used for the printing, and we have black borders, beautiful triangular pattern, and we have black blouse piece here. The pallu here, pallu have zari lines, and blouse piece here is fully pink with temple design border one side. Beautiful saree, very elegant printing. The color combination chosen are very different and beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. With zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A beautiful cream saree with geometric prints, blue and green used for the prints, and we also have red floral part in the border. The border of the saree here is blue, and we also have the very different blue and red in the pallu. Pallu have digital prints as well as zari lines, and we have a very contrast red blouse piece. Completely contrast blouse piece it is, not even the pallu color. Very different, beautiful saree, classy one with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A beautiful yellow saree here, turmeric yellow with red borders. The red borders and the red buttas is also, block prints is also red here. With top and bottom we have beautiful cream base used for the printing. That is a geometrical prints pattern with zari lines and zari border also. Zari lines given in the pallu. Pallu is red, contrast pallu and contrast red blouse piece. Plain blouse piece in both sides zari border. An excellent saree, beautiful color combination and comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a blue pallu with zari lines and block prints in the pallu. Very beautiful royal blue color. The same color blouse piece. Blouse piece also have one side block printed design. Saree is pink. Top and bottom we have beautiful geometric pattern as well as a floral pattern printed using yellow, green and pink. We also have blue borders. Excellent saree, very colorful one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a dual color pallu, black and pink in the pallu. Blouse piece is complete black with one side pink borders. It's a magenta pink shade. The saree is of beautiful concept with borders in black, checked concept. Inside it we have multicolored floral pattern printed, square box style. Excellent design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful blue saree with prints in both sides of the borders, black and red used for the prints, and we also have royal blue color borders. The pallu here is a double color one, very elegant dual color pallu with zari lines, and we have body color blouse piece. Elegant saree with beautiful prints, blue combination, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A beautiful green saree, it's a leaf green color with top and bottom we have very elegant dark green given for the temple borders, and we also have rust color border base, beautiful one with the contrast rust color pallu and blouse piece. A very elegant beautiful contrast concept. The lower half of the saree have cream base with a horse design prints, which is very traditional and beautiful one. The blouse piece of the saree here is in running green with one side rust border. The pallu is contrast. Excellent one with authentic silk.